Did you know that 90% of product judgments are based on colors? In this video, I'll reveal how to choose brand colors that grab attentions, evoke emotion, and make your brand unforgettable. Let's dive in.
But before that, please join us to motivate to create more videos to help you all. Subscribe and follow us in mission to grow together. Segment 1. Why brand colors matter. Colors are more than just a design element. They're a powerful psychological tool. The right color can evoke trust, excitement, or even hunger. Think about McDonald's red and yellow, bright, bold, and designed to stimulate appetite. Choosing the wrong color, though, could confuse your audience or send the wrong message. So, let's make sure your colors say exactly what you want them to. Segment 2. Primary colors versus creative modern colors. Now, when it comes to picking your brand colors, you have two main routes: primary colors or creative modern colors. Primary colors like red, blue, and yellow are timeless and universally recognizable. Think Google or Lego, simple, strong, and memorable. On the other hand, creative modern colors like pastels, gradients, or neons can make your brand feel fresh, innovative, and exciting. Just look at Airbnb or Slack. They stand out with unique palettes that scream modernity. Segment 3. How to choose your brand colors. Now that you understand the options, here are my top tips for choosing your brand colors. 1. Understand color psychology. Different colors evoke different emotions. For example, blue conveys trust and professionalism, while yellow brings optimism and creativity. Match your colors to the feeling you want your brand to evoke. 2. Align with your brand identity. Think about your brand's personality. Are you fun and vibrant like a children's brand? Or sleek and professional like a tech company? Your colors should reflect who you are. 3. Research your competitors. You want to stand out, but also stay relevant to your industry. Avoid colors that look too similar to your competitors, or you risk blending in. 4. Build a balanced color palette. Start with a primary color that represents your brand's core. Then add complementary secondary colors for variety and neutral tones for balance. A well-thought-out palette makes your brand versatile. 5. Test for accessibility and versatility. Make sure your colors work on all platforms, from your website to social media to packaging. And don't forget to test for contrast to ensure readability. Segment 4. Examples of successful brand color choices. Let's take a look at some brands that got it right. Coca-Cola's bold red creates energy and excitement. Spotify's green feels fresh and innovative. And Apple's sleek monochrome palette screams sophistication. The secret? Their colors align perfectly with their brand identity. Your brand colors are more than just a design choice. They're a statement of who you are and what you stand for. Now it's your turn. Which colors represent your brand?
And that's it for today. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye!